Oh, I don't know if we're gonna do this one. Hey guys, Justin here, Street Stand Civic Garage. We're going to be unboxing some stuff that came for the car today. Showing you guys the final color on the car. And we got an engine. So we're just going to get right into it, guys. And we'll see what we got for the car. I'm going to tilt you guys down so you guys can see the table here and see everything that we got for the car. So just bear with me. Alright. That should work. Alright. What we actually ordered for the car, guys, was all the electrical, everything that we need for the car to get this thing ready for an engine. So we opened this up, made sure everything was in it. But first thing we got the painless relay kit to make it nice and easy for us. This comes with 6 relays for the car. We did buy more. This ain't the only relays that we bought, but this is for our major systems, our fuel, you know, everything like that, starter, ignition. We actually have another set of relays that we are going to be using for turn signals, horn, and stuff like that. So we got our relays here. I'm going to get the box to shut back. So we got the painless relays. We got us a fuse box. This is going to be one of our fuse panels inside the car. Now we're going to be making a relay panel for all this stuff. This is our power block, split block. This comes off our battery. This is going to feed our switches. So I hope you guys can see that. And this is going to be our actual power shutoff. We're going to put that on the car. I'll show you guys where we're going to put that. Okay. And here's one set of our switches. These switches here are going to be for our turn signals, our horn, headlights, things like that. Pretty much all accessories is what those toggles are for. And we got a new one. Alright, this is going to be our main switches in the car. These opened up really quick. They actually already got them wired for me. No, ain't that nice. Alright, so here we go, guys. This is going to be the main switch panel for the car. We'll have everything in here. We'll label everything. It's actually on the website, on Jag's site, it didn't show none of this wired. I thought I had to wire all this, so that's pretty nice. It came with the wire for it. So we got that. And we're going to get right to wiring this car, probably tomorrow, guys. So, and this will be the last thing. Oh, this is our shrink tubing kit, guys. We're going to shrink tube everything on the car for moisture reasons. You know, just want to do it right. Don't want to have no problems with the car at all. Alright. Give me a little magazine there. Look through that later. Let's see here. Got this from Amazon Prime. Alright. There is a 5-pack of our relays, guys. Let's open them up. So they've got the short wires on them, 6-inch wire leads. Comes with the relays. So we do get the relays and the connectors. So everything comes with that. We got actual 10 of these. Got 2 packs of those. So that's all our relays. We got power and ground for everything we're going to be running. This should be their main fuse box. The other fuse box was for our accessories, for our lights and horn and stuff like that. This one here is for all our main power supplies, for our starter, our fans, our fuel pump, our water pumps, our water box, everything that we're going to be using on the car that's a main component of the car will be in this box. Everything else will be in the other one. Headlights, turn signals, wipers if we choose to put wipers in the car. Haven't really decided on that one yet, guys. So we'll need that box. And came with the fuses too. So we got all the fuses for the car. Well, for this pack, for that fuse box. And all our connectors, so we can get this party started with this thing. So that's all that out of that box. And this here, guys, should be our bus bars. Now, I bought them like this because on the websites they're anywhere from $9 to $12 for each one. So this guy on eBay was selling 5 of them. These are the bus bars we're going to be using. Guy on eBay was selling 5 of them for the price that Amazon wanted for 1. So we went through eBay and this private seller, and we got these. So we got more than enough to do the car. We're probably only going to use 1 of these. Maybe 2 separate ones. I'm thinking maybe 2. But there's our bus bars. And this is going to be to help hold, I'm hoping, hold the relay panel. There's our ground battery cable for the battery. We got 2 more battery posts there. Got some of the battery connectors and other connectors here, just to guarantee that I had enough. Got some clear zip ties for the roll cage because it's white, that way you don't really see them. And we've got our main power supply wire. So that's everything there, guys, to wire this car. I hope you guys can see all of it. So there's that. And then our main switch supply. So we got quite a bit to put in the car. Alright guys, we're back. Going to show you the motor real quick. We actually got, this is our new motor. Motor and trans is a EP3, the K20A3 out of the Civic Si. We ended up getting this actually pretty cheap. Because it actually ruined the cans in here. They ran it with no oil. Ended up ruining the head and everything. But for what we're doing, only thing we want is the block. Everything else on this motor is garbage to me. We're going to keep the transmission. We'll fix it and get it ready for the motor. So this is our actual donor motor, guys. We're going to be building this motor. So wait for the build series on that. And we got a lot of parts and everything ready for this motor. So be ready for the parts opening for that. That will be coming up very shortly. But without further ado, we're going to show you the car, show you what we've got done with the car so far, and let you see how the paint turned out. So here it is, guys. The blue actually come out very, very nice. This has already been sanded, wet sanded and buffed. Looks pretty good. We got our dash in. We've made, this is actually diamond plate. I got it covered up with tape so it don't get scratched. We got our steering column in. We got our pedals in. We're gonna be changing the colors of them. Them came out the actual original, this original car when it was red. So we'll be changing the colors of that. We'll be changing steering wheel and stuff like that. So we got our K member in. Got all our brake lines in, proportion valve. We've got new master cylinder, everything in, brake booster. We got our clutch master cylinder in. Going to get the reservoir put in here in a minute. So we're moving right along with the car. So I hope you guys like it so far. This is Toyota's Voodoo Blue on the car. We got everything in here, diamond plate, so that way everything that we're doing we'll be able to mount to it. All our switch panels, everything like that, we'll be able to mount to it. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, share my videos. It helps break the algorithm in YouTube, helps my channel grow, guys. So just stay tuned. We are going to have a complete build series on this engine from start to finish. And here in the next week or so, it's going to be going to the machine shop to get machined. So it's going to be very, very shortly. We're going to be getting this motor built. So guys, see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.